Hey, good evening. Welcome to
Minute Math number 18.
Minute Math number 18. All right, here we go. So this is a fun little problem that the Mathematical Association of America is putting out on their website. Well, they do one every day. This one's from the AMC8, so this is a test for 8th graders. And only about 15% of the people got this right. So only about 1 out of every 7 people got this one right. So this one's a little more tricky than you think. Each principal of Lincoln High serves exactly one 3-year term. What is the maximum number of principals the school can have in any 8-year term, or any 8-year period? Yep. Okay, do you understand the question?
Yep. Okay,
so you got principals who serve exactly 3 years, and the question is, what's the most amount of principals you could have in an 8-year period? Okay, how do you think you want to approach this problem?
Well, we're going to have 8 years, so we can write it 1, 2.
Okay, those are going to be the 8 years.
And each principal serves for exactly 3 years.
Yeah, each principal serves for exactly 3 years.
But a principal could already be serving.
That's true. A principal could have already been serving.
So they could only go up to like this.
Yeah, that could be a 3-year period.
And in that case, that would be 1 period.
Yeah, well, 1 principal.
Yeah. 2.
Okay.
3, and then the guy starts.
Alright, so that would be 4. Okay, so that's pretty big. Now, when something asks for maximum, so you found 4. Now the question is, could we do more than that? Could we fit more than 4 in? That's a fun little question.
We could do the same thing, but with 1 and 2 in this one.
Right, that would be a great way to check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now start with 2 here. Okay? Then the next principal would go there, and the next principal would go there.
But that's only 3.
That's only 3, okay? So it looking like 4 is pretty good, but there's still one more thing you got to check.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Alright, so give that a try. 1, 2, and hey, 3 again. Aha! Now, the next case you would do would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you would have 1 start there. But what's the deal with this case?
There's still only 3. But you're forgetting 1 of them.
Yeah, so what about, have we already done this case? Where we've got 2, 3, and 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it turns out these are the only 3 cases that can happen. So you can either have 3, 3, or
4.
4. So what's the maximum?
4.
4. Good job. Hey, you were one of only 15% of the people who got this one right. Pretty good. And this is a good approach. Draw a picture, even though this is a picture of numbers, but it's still a picture of the years. And then you just say, aha, well, we could have had a principal that started early and finished when we started counting, because the school's been around for a long time, right?
Yeah.
And then the next one would serve 3, and the next one would serve 3, and then we'd have to have somebody serving there. So that was a very good approach. That was a very good approach. Good job. High five. Good job.